Okay, today we're taking a look at a toilet handle, and this particular one is not broken, but let's say it were. Let's say that where it attaches here, this is broken off, and now you have a non-functional toilet. What are you going to do? Well, you could order the part that you could find on the underside of the toilet tank lid and wait for that to arrive, or you could go to one of my favorite stores, Home Depot, and buy what's called the Corky Strong Arm Universal Toilet Handle. Now, this is a very high quality unit. I've installed many of them, and I'm going to tell you, I like them. They got a good design, it looks good, and when it says it's universal, this one actually is, because you can move this into any configuration, orientation that you want. As you see here, it shows you it works for a front-mounted handle, angled inside, down and right. It has easy instructions in how to make it work, and I'd highly recommend it. It doesn't matter what make or model of toilet that you have, this one will do the job. So, instead of wasting a lot of time trying to order a part, sometimes it's better just to get it done. And I would recommend this handle for any make or model of toilet, bar none.